OKFM 101.7.
Na mami nkodi nkomo kakra me ne bunu chapim na Obiri Boahen were former deputy general secretary of the New Patriotic Party entwetwe nkomo na wasaye mranimu ni bunu chapim na me moache
da na joso minia
na bokode
oh nyame da homa
na sese wugina sei bill no ye hunkrata bi aba bonten from president office yewura Kofi Asante bedi atuo ensa hyase a wo ka se wono clerk of parliament no ebra wa mo retreat wo pedias no cabinet retreat no ena nwan ko attempted to present the bill to the president. Nemum, she should cease and desist from even sending the bill to parliament. Now, maybe sapao parliament a pass bill be, and the other clerk of parliament. Ni ashen se on fankoma president. Even if that was an attempt se on fankwa, can the clerk of parliament no pay the letter? Be dia tua kokoma no everything I can say. Next time mudi bia kwa me fanko sanse wa twere wo mu se nipa bi di court enkomo idi ekoso pa and say na position on this matter.
Oh, very well. It raises a lot of questions at the same degree, lot of legal issues in the sense. Now we are the three organs of government. Now, three organs of government, we are Najuma. The bar, the Kosan Kushia. Bar, the Kosan Kushia. Titu to say, obey you be a minister. I just say, or working for the executive. But also a member of parliament. Or some year Juma for the lawmaking body. Obey any party be brave. Obey Madame Fukujo Ponkuma. Upon Kumaye MP, or Sansi minister, as some subway MP, or Sansi minister, Bafoya MP, or Sansi minister, any Bibria I can, better the answer, I mean, Adam MP, or Sansi minister, Eba Sabediano, Akubum, executive, and then the lawmaking body. The judiciary, no. Na no but one minister for justice attorney general untiminka judiciary ni influo but onye MP bebu obetimanya minister for justice and attorney general say Gloria Kufudie no oye minister but no onye MP bebi so ye minister can ye MP and so obetimi enya bisa be a minister or something MP. Now, that case where you be brave. The Dinamo Cassa, as an anado cocassa or baby, and an anado cocassa, as some more court in tea, ultimate fan and sa and chassis. Now, and this is for Brincas, hey, now send court, Babe. As some court. No, Nanwanda, Eden and Anando, Ekasa. But Baba can never insist. As almost also your Amandi or Amanda, Odoy, Ladiano. I know you're 2023. And I retract the year 2024. It is a Yenya Wuda 2024 Munanado can say, Ubidiako court in Timin Sanya. No more being anado and no enquishy, baby say, Tam Cra or can like Madame for Samijan lawyer, Samijan Fino Castle, Tam the Crown and filing, and I don't know another filing. I think my friend Samijan was wrong on that, because Nanado was making reference to the 2023, There are two suits now. To submit the Abia Mekwakoyan and me. Then a file be in the name of Abronye. And Damafia Koso also file be, meaning I say, first ladies no and second ladies no that's be qualified first be jisika na and the Supreme Court consolidated the two seats until another day in Namibua barring any adjournment na Supreme Court it is coming on today so nanado dia no okay na a reference to first one 2023 dia na it is obika say na nanado dana okasa dana no be file second seat o ye de no hu ya na ni pakura na yam from so because they show us 2023 dia na o file ye ba file ye wo ba nyentre ha because amla no be pass the bill no until ni panyina bani wo bill no the passage of the bill no so Richard Sky here 2024 no and then ni panyina bani akwa no so no but I can foresee a situation say Supreme Court be consolidating the two cases no? Because almost the issues are the same. And I have a premonition. So Supreme Court be consolidating two cases. Now let's go forward.
Hey, okay, I have a premonition. I'm Makai book me by Olarotimi, the palm wine drinker. Okotu muti say wakotu was I had the premonition. It was a Nigerian writer, yeah. Once an action has been commenced, said the okay at the Supreme Court, injuncted the process of signing the bill into an act.
Let's be very fair to ourselves. Speaking as a lawyer, once an application for injunction has been filed, speaking as a lawyer.
Nami Bajo, interlocutory in nature.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
The circumstances of the case and the fact of the case. The circumstances of the case and the fact of the case. Take you are filing injunction. And say, Mitibifie, made of mafu, made of kokufu. Na say Mitibifie, no, filing injunction against me. And no, and yet automatic injunctive. If you say Mitibifie, dada, no, mafu, na metim koko, and I'm tebe atia, and I'm tim body fool, made of body fool. My somebody, now filing injunction say, Mabbe, Mko from one and did. But young family say, and now ye ukia day. Be a the day you fool no, Memena down no pa. No be a call file injunction. Why I read no a file injunction say, when you fool no in see, Abraham ye kuna for. If we say young cat and a buyer. Pamfa mi dina mam se mi kuna fo abusiafo bere me de we jam me so mere beboa me no ware ye no a ye ware wo court no ana ye ware wa sondem ana ye wa amamre mu no mere onyame eti I am still the surviving spouse nti ayen krata na amayo no mo mfa mi dina mam no court no ma be nyifunu no nsie eno no that one also, and only automatic because a book you funu here. No mamma uncle dicuna. No man, a man swimming in a mamma air training in an aye, pasta. Etty, Sammy be here. And this one, in my candid opinion, I may be wrong. I mean, Cassa, subject me with Indiana Chedibia, or I may be right. And I just fair for the president of the Republic of Ghana. No, be the court. No, man filing motion for injunction.
Okay,
Which said motion is still pending and to be determined. No, I can say, President, when we do that, we are not being fair to Manado. We are not being fair to the judiciary. We are not being fair to democracy. Why? No, because you see, by filing injunction, no. Court didn't determine yet. The president, Bibeka said, the president has prejudged or preempted the outcome of the case. conduct prejudicial. So the president says, oh, no problem. Yes, now you're respecting the judicial. Judiciary, no to undermine the potency or the efficacy or the strength of the judiciary. They are respecting judiciary. Many of the people. Yes, now you book out. Yes, now you boomra. Nti bia mumra no na ho kandie bia mumra no ana ho kandie ho kandie no say the case bi wo court wa ye ntete ho sradie no nwe etisabi di akokot no a file injunction 2023 dey no and 2024 dey no never file injunction the matter before the Supreme Court judge. In fact, it will not be fair. This is my personal opinion.
I know another leg of it. Second, you say, Krata, you was antibody a true bar abontino. Or address it to one, you know,
and also, let's look at it from two legs. No, I ask myself, as about it. Now, I say, as antibody to better letter. I am this answer. Why? Because at the time I also letter never serve parliament. And then is a clerk and so all you know who from so all you be or the Bible servo president. Because they are serve parliament. They are to the knowledge of the clerk and they are. Now need to anukra tam krata no say. No tam maybe a corner nado. Because now that servo no dear. No, this all time call. But the young say, well, under a messenger, conveyor belt. Until better on fan call. Almost on fan call. Until on dear. What we say a green light national. The green light national there. A second could dream can call. So to that extent under a conveyor. But I ask myself, sir, in the light of signing my not a bit here, the letter no, overthrow. What way, you better say yes, a bit here, I didn't hear, I left for you, be said. Yeah, Professor be said, for ease of reference and for avoidance of doubt. For ease of reference and for avoidance of doubt. Like I said, I can't be here to SSS. Me akosumi na nsebu nkaya me kira kaiwo and that one asanti be there to onyam from so for ease of reference and for avoidance of doubt ade ba ko yesi ade mienu we yesi me yeko retreat na sa nyama we nyina esi entino so woni ma process na wo Supreme Court no kire se ntam krata no mfabreye when asanti be there to that onyam from so because for ease of reference and for avoidance of doubt. There are some people there 2% say, "My yebu biara nye bibi ebe judiciary no na ni mo nyam abofo." And therefore, me try kai wo say, so we dey fra. Me try kai wo say, sansem we nyina aba. Eni ni aba no lawyer ati ye fo no kire say. Krata no memfa emma asate be dia to kasa me nyini se word nyame ma jinjem no because we me feel say the substantive issue the LGBTQ e de me work awon sama say girl not there what do me I abaya juma girl no abaya juma because
e wa yin
that because yo
baby e do that so ogidie
yo president sign you
because Attorney General I advise the president some money sign.
Oh, me say be Juma me kasa say.
Oh, okay. You see.
Be Juma. LGBTQ no maka na meka ne da bia. What may I nye so? And to me, you cannot practice it within the context or within the system which we find ourselves. I think you're funny. For insuka, something done on insuanka. Fashion is a little fashion done home. You swear can. What do you practice? I have to ban or yeah, system. The Kenya brochure, fashion done home. You swear can. Then I want to move what you know. Sana house or no, and to me, Baba did the home, Gasico, and the Quam Cacarinum, Catrabese, very pisagra, LGBTQ, Antimina, Awaya. And yet, now we say na TV station be Professor Moore. And you know, I like the words of Professor Moore. The wood here, Professor Moore use some words be. Now so be okay, you be about 2 or 3 days. Other Professor Moore said, yeah, system, yeah, culture, yeah, anyway, no. And yeah, Juma, I'm paying up and yeah, Juma. To borrow the words of Professor Moore. System, your culture, your memory, your many, your gen, Bama, what a bama, Bama, and your Juman, and your Juma Chana. It is our quabruchili, no Okase, Utin Warimunu, Bama Warimunu, and your Juman, and your Juma Chana. Santina Danby Mikase, Baba, oh, LGBTQ, Munyabe, a human rational, Mre, Mumisabese, Dibanyisika. Saban Quakesika will be what? Then can you back you? Because they themselves know as a fact. Say, you cannot implement this Shubani system. No,
Sanko for being a Maja Ajan baby. I got discount.
I said, rhetoric.
Rhetoric, okay.
Because maybe because you cannot say you're human rights. Even in the European Court of Human Rights, judges are not able to say any human right. Even in the European Court of Human Rights, where they practice it extensively, no, but they have to say any human right at the moment. And here you have about by judging no, some you say yes, it can. But I idea the any idea, then funny say. You can fracture. Yeah, number be said. Word fufua, yeah, word fufua, found me factory. Salon, I better let you buy. And I say, young number be said. So, Uko, Silma, Bema Wakwaba, better person. Mabem Fabi Sama Wakwaba. If you know Cobem Frenchum, and ye. Can now buy a house, yet in Shunuma Wakwaba. No, this issue, no, I catch you for no rubber for number Yajino. Mera. Jessica, because look, President is saying, President can say, it cannot be possible. It's not practicable. And you know, and let's respect it. Maybe if it is another one sign, maybe I agree. I side with him because my uncle too and my mom be as it were to preempt or to prejudice the outcome of the Supreme Court matters, Supreme Court cases now, a wohono. And to Nanado Yanamatia. No, something baby a proceed, Mr. Baby said, I thought it would be a toy like I said. Make the man can answer ye.
Me question is say. Said the okay, say, one knows a clerk of parliament, no a conveyor belt. Indeed, what's your letter? Why don't you address it to parliament? Name because you. Afraid too. You sought to transmit. And no, I don't know why you find your dance here. Because who can transmit be not considered. Me say, initially, earlier, no can say, clerk of parliament there or a conveyor belt.
Yeah.
And on the instructions now, all this war, no the other. It is enka or your attempt to be cross or the ba. Now what sure? Akoma or no say you. I don't want to address it to parliament.
Well, we don't have the full fact. We don't have the full fact. More function. Every other class was trying to do it on the frolic of his own.
Nasari said the end to me, yes, sir.
Oh, I mean,
okay.
You're full fact. You're full fact in America. More being your man, Uncle Tibet. But your brother, Michel said, you're all kind of so, you're all kind of, I'm not rubbish in it. The letter should have addressed the Speaker of Parliament. And I'm not another person.
Sanam Pesimichi.
Oh, that is also, yes. Sir, Nana Santibedia too, or Yenipa, Mimi Yenipa, also Yenipa. Yenipa, a bit to me about that, and the casino. ABI and from Sudu Obey. But let's look at the substance, but not study the form. The substance, and I say, Yana Santibedia too, one to Krana. Maybe a minute to Krana, maybe did it and Santibedia 2 years. Sabu Kafrache, maybe the things and the council. Because for each reference and for avoidance of doubt, every other guy address no, Nanka told him speaker. That one, Matthias, yeah. Every any procedure. That the substance. There's nothing wrong with the substance. He was just prompting himself. Unima. Now
then, one trunk of a parliament room. Say parliament more possible, but in your attempt to bring it to me, the president, some messiah at the idea. Mamum from Mansa. Now there is a case pending in the Supreme Court.
Yes, no, make us say a bit to me about procedural, no, maybe the casino. Because I glanced through the letter, no, Nanyambia Canana, but Ukraine, where will he issue my copies to no? Maybe I'm not copies to no, my share. And share.
Copies, no, he says, let's about me and 1 woman be.
Oh, okay, I see.
But meaning why 1 copy.
Okay.
Meaning why 1 copy.
Okay, I don't know. But I'll copy a Speaker of Parliament.
Me be in a mahe.
Okay, be here.
Because one no, you know, clerk of Parliament in there. What do you wire there? Or copy the vice president, or copy the vice president, or copy and or copy the chief of staff, and or copy the attorney general, and or copy the majority leader. I don't know, copy the minority leader.
I think you should have done that. Why a majority leader? You should have done that. The minority also, because it will show recognition of the majority, and even you could have gone further to send a copy to the independent candidate. Only say your independent candidate do all.
Aye. Say you are lunch Martin wo, but so we a candidate.
I mean Martin. I'm talking about former MP.
Ah yeah, from Andy.
Former I see I'm a lawyer.
Aye, what the Andy? Kumasi the near friend Andy. Aye.
So one majority be Ranka or my minority be no one my independent be. Man fan say independent no all on it. MPP for the argument. Man fan say or your MPP. In fact, Sito Sensu on your MPP. Sito Sensu on your MPP is an independent parliamentary candidate. Even though all on your MPP for the Kafugo. So that one. No,
I didn't just want your MPP. You were to Obama MPP. Be what training.
Even though all on the baby Kafugo.
Chama question Tiadauruma. Hey, no way.
I think that let's be very honest to our president and to Nana Santibedia too. So a man for crucify him. Many a man for Yagan or crucify them. No, many one more Yagan. I think that maybe Santibedia too. No, mecano. Be an all pen, or yeno. Na ebia yen na yetimi cho lecture krama obi a wode ama sedika facho obi type man kro ro tukra tim ka na ha what do we call ha nke ebi ni tete kra o kaya me ka say oh wa majority ya nke so ma minority bi na osanama independent candidate and ka down. So but let's look at the substance. I don't think that Nanado or Santibedia to buy upon it. I don't think so. Me ni say Nana don't sign, Nana do I body. No, because to demonstrate his trust and belief in the judicial system, and he doesn't want to do anything that will look like scandalizing the administration of justice. So I think that's right. And then the advice also the Attorney General gave, that was also good. Because we have been there to let the other abandon lawyer at 3 years. And I think he was right. Was spot on. Now, Banlay was spot on. Because the whole Minister for Justice Attorney General cannot say that the minimum filing motion could have cost the president maybe fine. I mean, when that one happened. So the Minister for Justice Attorney General Anyabone, Santipedia too, Anyabone, maybe baby Anes or address a cop, and now baby and case on the letter and a copy. But a form. In the situation we find ourselves, let's look at the content. The content. What is the substance? Substance spot on. Now, I don't say or young from swore. Why? Because the happening. Say no Supreme Court, no man filing injunction, not the man sign. I think ever hagen. Let's move now. Yeah, Baba Jim Parliament can be me number one.
Okay. Nana.
Mira, what the moment here? And you know, politically, my good friends on the other side, NDC, and me, my good brother, President Mahama, and I'm for, and look, this is a law. I don't want to sound prejudicial, but I'm saying that it does not conflict the laws of this country. So there is even nothing unconstitutional. And I mean, there's nothing unconstitutional. Then another aspect of it is should it go to the Supreme Court? Sabu, why would you mean? With the me preacher. This is just personal ideas. Idea channel pay Ghana for we are in a baby. Pamame opportunity na ye share. Peter Crabo me who said the words are so clear and there's no ambiguity. And I don't see how even an issue of invoking the Supreme Court to interpret some provisions to be. Mr. Amekao, I think for, and yes, me prejudice the outcome of it. A woman in a young botany. Woman in a baba Jiran Musa Bentia, the boy, that money government to whom I have that. Ban a buyer to whom I have that.
That's it.
The boy.
Okay. Nana Medazan obey.
You, Mr. Beta.
Yes, that's a pa. Nana Obiri Boahen, a former deputy general secretary, Mrenimini, and I, no, actually, common, okay, 101.7, so any.
OKFM 101.7.